Hey y'all, it's Kitty. I wanted to come on here and film another video because I haven't filmed in the past couple of days and I'm just really feeling it. Sorry if you can hear explosions in the background. I live near a gravel mine. Um, I can hear them very clearly. I don't know how much the computer is going to pick up on those, but it's summer all of a sudden. How did that happen? I'm pretty sure it was winter like a week ago. I mean, it was supposed to be spring, but the weather was telling us it was winter until like yesterday where it's hit 90 all of a sudden. So I thought I'd just come on here and play around with some makeup because that's what I like doing. Um, Sorry, I know I have some face demons. They happen. It happens, okay? I'm human. So I have already primed my eyes with my Milani eyeshadow primer because primer is important. I'm going to take a fluffy brush, this one is from Wet n Wild, and go into a matte cream shade and just set my eyeshadow primer. So I really only have like this much of an idea of what I'm doing, and I'm not totally sure that it's going to come out right, but that's just sort of what happens when you play with eyeshadow the way I do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ColourPop single in the shade Bratty and put that all over my crease. And I'm going to go in with my ColourPop totally not named brush to do that. So that's what that looks like, and so far I am digging it. So I think what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go into my Violet Voss Rainbow palette. I'm going into the shade Peach, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. So far this is a pretty basic and monochromatic look, but I'm going to try something that I'm not sure how it'll look. That's one of the fun things about makeup, is that I get to try stuff and it's just super easy to wipe right off if I don't like what I did. So I'm going to take my AOA Studios E112 brush. This is a pencil brush, a big fluffy pencil brush. I'm going to go into the shade Baseline from ColourPop. I'm going to try and smudge that all over my lower lash line. Once again, sorry if you can hear the explosions. I feel like they're getting louder. I don't know what's up. I closed all my windows to try and keep the sound as minimal as possible. The next thing I'm going to do is take a cotton round with some makeup remover, and I'm going to clean up some of the fallout that I missed before I started my lower lash line. So how I'm feeling is that I feel like the blue looks very separate from everything else. So what I'm going to try and do is bring that all the way up and around the lower lash line into the inner corner and across just the very inner corner of the top lid. And again, it's the ColourPop shade in Baseline. So that's what we look like so far, and I can't decide if I love it or if I hate it, but I think I love it. And then I'm going to continue on the E112 brush, and I'm going to go into a darker blue. I'm going to go into this ColourPop single shade right here called Backstage, just very lightly. I'm going to tap off my brush, and I just want to darken the outer corner of the lower lash line just a little bit. Now I'm going to go put on mascara and I will be right back. So that's the finished eye look. I think it really works for it's suddenly summer. I'm really happy with how this eye look turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you could like the video and comment, that would be really helpful. Also subscribing and maybe hitting the little bell notification icon so you'd get notified when I posted a new video. That all helps me out so much, and it tells the YouTube algorithms that maybe I'm someone that they could share with others. Thank you so much for watching. I've been having a blast filming these videos, and I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!